Hello, my name is Chris, and I am here to give you some tips on how to make videos on your cell phone. We're making videos now more than ever on our cell phones, and that's fine. It's okay. We can make good videos on our cell phones today. I've seen so many videos since March when we all started doing this more and more and more. And it doesn't matter what age we are or how much experience we have. We need some help. So here's some guidance. First off, the most important thing. When you make a video with your phone, turn your phone sideways. We call this landscape mode. Think about what it's like when you're trying to create something like a Word document on your computer and you got to send it to a printer. This is landscape mode. Remember that. That's important. Every video you make on your phone, you want to make with the phone turned this way, not this way, because then it looks like this.
I think we can all agree that a video just doesn't look great when it looks like this with lots of black on both sides of me. So by turning your phone sideways, the video is a lot more pleasant for others to view. Plus they, enjoy what's around you.
Tip number 2. Did you know that the video quality on this side of your phone is better than the quality on this side of your phone? That is true. Most of you probably knew that, but it's important to remember when you're making videos. But if you want to get the best quality possible, use this side of your phone and get somebody to film you to make it look a lot better for those watching. Okay, now stay with me. Don't start scrolling down your screen. Tip number 3. This is the most important thing. I know you're thinking, I got this, I know how to do this, Chris. No, hold on. Tip number 3. How to get good quality audio. Audio is actually the most important thing about making a video with your cell phone. And you can get pretty good audio with a microphone built into your phone. But we can make it better, and it's worth it. Now, your phone, your tablet already has a pretty good microphone typically built in. But we can make it better. There are devices out there like this. It's a built-in microphone. If that attachment doesn't work on your phone, there's some really cool products out there that hold phones and tablets with really nice microphones built in, with an app that helps you control and manipulate how that microphone works, and those sound great. And we're going to use that here in the video. All right, tip number 4. We're still talking about audio, and this is going to be really important. I just tried to watch a 10-minute video and I could not focus. I couldn't because it was windy. The video was being made outside, but they didn't have a windscreen. If it's windy outside and you need to make the video outside, figure out a way by using a windscreen. It's a piece of foam. You could probably make one. Now, if you're not using an external microphone, you're trying to use the one built into your phone, you probably can't do it. But guess what? Don't make the video outside. Don't do it. Just go inside and make the video. It's a much better video if I can hear every word you say. Oh, and before I forget, remember when you're making videos, look into eye contact. It's really important, even if you forget the windscreen. Look in.
Recording inside definitely helps improve your audio on videos, but it does present some challenges with lighting. If you have a room with a lot of natural light, that's probably where you should be to make videos. Otherwise, you may end up with a light over your shoulder. Also, if you're recording in your home for your employer or for school, it's probably not the best idea to record something with your bed in the background or a wet towel hanging over a closet over your shoulder. Try to really think about that background, especially inside your home, as something that you're okay sharing with everyone you know.
It's okay to practice when you're making videos. Try it over and over again. Make multiple ones. Take the time to do that. It's important no matter what the video is. Thanks so much. I hope this helps. Have a great rest of your day.